Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's one of my infamous fat-bottomed boxes. I love making this style of box. They are just brilliant. They're great for favours, for gifts, for party bags, things like that. Just brilliant. And it's the new In the Wild suite. And I have a leopard on here. And the reason for me choosing a leopard is actually sitting to my left. I have a beautiful Bengal cat, and a Bengal is descended from the Asian leopard cat, and Berry has leopard spots. That's not Berry, that's Fauna. They've all come to help today. And yeah, a Bengal has leopard spots like this, so of course I had to do that. Right, let me show you how to make the box. You need a piece of paper that is 6 by 12 inches, 15¼ by 30½ centimetres. And I've lost, oh, it's behind me. You're not coming onto the star of the show today, Berry. On the long side, score it at 2 7/8, 5 3/4, 8 5/8, and 11½ inches, which in metric is 7, 14, 21 and 28. And then on the short side, score it at 2 inches, 5 centimetres. Okay. All the instructions are on my blog. So click open the description bar and you will see a hyperlink directly to this project and a link of where you can buy all of the supplies from my online shop. And actually they're in the description bar too. Everything's there. Okay. So this is the paper from In the Wild. So you've got sort of like this jungle foliage and yeah, animal print. I couldn't tell you which animal that's meant to be from, but animal print. Okay, just taking a tiny bit off the top, and then I'm getting rid of this rectangle. So that's the very thin bit over on one side, and then I'm going to cut up the other three. What I love about these boxes is that it uses half a sheet, so you can get lots from a pack of paper, depending on whether it's a pack of 12 or a pack of 40 or however many sheets of paper are in your pack. Whoops. Basically you can get 2 from one sheet, is the point I'm trying to make. So it's easy to make and they look brilliant. They really do. I think so. I'm totally biased, but I think they look good. So you will see that it doesn't meet completely in the middle. That's okay. It crosses over. And that gave me more height to my box, which is what I wanted. Hello, Berry. Here she comes. So you can see her leopard print. So that's distinctive of a Bengal. Okay, so I've lost the front and the back. Okay, that's the back, so that one needs to come down first. And Fauna is on my ribbon rack playing with my blinds at the moment, obviously. Okay, so that's the box all sealed up. I've lost the front again. There's the front. So you just push with your fingers into the sides. She's stealing ribbon, little tinker. Not helpful. And just use your fingers to help shape it. And so because excuse me a minute. Just deal with the ribbon. Not helpful. Yeah, because I haven't put score lines in, you get a more soft shape. Can we not take out the ribbon? Thank you. You get a softer flowing line there. Right, so I have got, this is the new chevron weave ribbon. Chevron weave ribbon. And it's an evening evergreen. Couldn't think of the name of it then. And I'm going to get a couple of clips just so I can hold the top of the bag in place while I get this ribbon around it. I find that the clips just hold it closed because I'd need another pair of hands, I think. I need another pair of hands, and I need my tummy to help too. And Fauna is now up on the desk next to me, eyeballing everything. Does anybody else suffer with issues with trying to tie ribbon like me? No? Just me? I know it's not just me. Might clip the ribbon on and see if that helps. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But I've got my clear block resting against my tummy. I've done this in the past when we've had clips and pegs and things like that. I have closed it with those, so not the tightest in the world, but it'll be fine. Okay. It's got it closed, that's all good. Right, so let's get some oh for goodness sake, Berry. Decoration on the front. So Wild Cats is the stamp set, with Big Cats as the matching dies, and the dies match these two and the sort of frondy stuff. This is me, the girl who has issues with horticulture and the like. So yeah, you can see that they behind the blinds. Seriously, never work with children and animals, or animals I should say. That one's for there, that one is for up here, this one matches here, this one matches here, and then you've got standalone pieces as well. She's not, yeah, she's behind the blinds, obviously. So I'm going to take those two. I've got some Whisper White just off to one side, and I'm going to stamp. Oh, she's going to shout at the birds. Those are all the pieces I need. Remove the cat. So I'm going to go, I think I might go pumpkin pie this time. I went Cajun Craze before. I'm going to go pumpkin pie. Oh God, this is what happens when you get a block way too big. I think I've got that. Ombre look. We'll do the ombre look. That's fine. Don't. Oh, she's biting her tail now. And then I'm going to do my very best without getting my head on camera to line up the face. That's not bad. It's fine. And then put these leopard spots. Oh. Down there. And then I think that's Evening Evergreen. We'll grab that colour. Put on there, and then I will scooch all of this out the way. Grab my mini cut and emboss, and grab my plates. So a 1 and a 2. And I've got those dies ready. I've got better post-it notes now. One of the girls on my team gave me these post-it notes and they're brilliant. Oops. Plate for over the top. Oh, apply that across the room. I'm going to put these two away because I don't want to lose them. And you know what they say, You know what I say. Don't put it down, put it away, and then you don't lose it. And then you're always tidy and neat as well. And a couple of dimensionals on the back of these. She's beating up ribbon again. I don't know if you can hear. Oh, I quite like that in the more gingery orange. Is that your colour, Berry? You shout at those birds through the window on the house a mile away. There we go. What do you think? Like I say, I love the shape of the box. I've made so many variations of it, and you guys all love it too. It's a good sized box, very nice, fun to make. And there we go. Thank you ever so much for joining me. And 2 of the cats. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.